Hey everybody, I hope everybody's enjoying this video. Just a small little few clips I put together. Yes, we're heading back up to the house. The wind is just getting stronger and me and Harley are just gonna sit here and chill for a little bit because I don't feel like getting out of the car. We're on our way to our doctor's appointment. And the way I do this with Harley is give him the whole back of the car, the cargo area. It's a mess right now. Very good. Right, Harley? Harley, speak. Oh. Yeah. Speak. Good boy. Speak. 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 Here comes Mommy.